Hello, welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be making vegetable soup. So we're going to be using some chicken. Just need to put that in the pot, spice it with just salt and any seasoning of your choice. I used Knorr chicken cubes. And to intensify the flavor of this chicken, I used fresh peppers. You can also add dry pepper to it. It just intensifies the flavor of the chicken particularly. So this was stirred and it was just let to cook in its own water. So after this chicken had cooked for a while, palm oil was added, crayfish, dry fish, smoked fish, whatever type of fish you want to use. Adding this at this stage just helps everything cook together, marry properly, intensify the flavor of the food. Now the chicken and the fishes were separated from the stock because we don't want that to break. Okay, so the vegetables were added. That's the ugu, which is known as the pumpkin leaves, and the water leaf were added just on top of it. And if you notice, this was not stirred immediately. I just let it simmer, and by the time you even open your pot, you're going to notice that the quantity has actually reduced. It has gone down. So after this steamed on its own, it was just stirred together, and the meat and every other thing were mixed properly, and your soup is pretty much ready. Actually, here I added some more vegetables because I noticed it was quite small, so I had to add more and stir everything together before putting in the stock and the chicken and every. This soup tasted so good. It was the bomb. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment and share. Okay, I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.